Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust your trigger, your left and right trigger sensitivity and the dead zones for that. So if you just tap it, it's going to go and aim in, and that can get really annoying. So you want to add a little bit of a dead zone on there so you have some room to play with. So if we go to configure right here and scroll on over to triggers, once we have it connected, we can set the left trigger right here. So we probably want to turn off mirror dead zone right here. And then we can adjust these independently. So go to the left trigger and put it down to like 4. That should be good. So if you just tap it a little bit, it's not going to aim in. You have to squeeze it in quite a bit more before you aim. And then the right trigger, I'm just going to set this to 1 because I like that responding just a little bit sooner than normal. So you don't have to press it all the way in. It's only a couple milliseconds between, like 1 and like 10. But in a first-person shooter, that could make the difference. So just go ahead and set this here, and then you don't have to worry about it aiming in all the time. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.